When. We're going to use when for time, for a date. When. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Birthday, the day you were born. When your mom say, oh, my little baby, the day you were born is your birthday. So when is your birthday? A possible answer is my birthday. My birthday is on December the 20th. Okay. When is your birthday? My birthday is on December the 20th. Right? Another question could be, when is the school bus? When is the school bus going to arrive? When is the school bus going to arrive? When the school bus going to come here? When is the school bus going to arrive? So arrive, to come here. Possible answer could be the school bus is going to arrive at 7 o'clock a.m. The school bus is going to arrive at 7 a.m. These are complete sentences. You don't know how to make complete sentences yet. So it doesn't matter if you don't understand a complete sentence. Go to the dictionary or the Google Translate and check all these words in the dictionary or in the Google Translate in order you can understand these complete sentences. Later, during the course, we are going to learn how to make all these questions, complete questions. But for now, the examples are just, you can understand how to use these question words, right? You can say, I don't understand. Yeah, no problem. You are going to understand in the future, right? Later. For now, just pay attention in the way we use the question word. All these question words, right? That's for now, for this. In the future, you are going to learn how to do this. All right? Let's go to the next question. Where? Where is a question where we are going to use for places, okay? And for many other things, but now for places. I need information about a place, and I ask, where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? And the possible answer could be, I am from Mexico. I am from Mexico. In this case, is the country I live in. Mexico is the country I live in. But you can answer with the state you live in, or the city you live in, or the village you live in. You can say, I'm from Mexico, or you can say, for example, in this case, I am from Sinaloa, is the state. I am from Culiacan, is the city. Country, state, and city. Right? You can answer with the country, with the state, or with the city. For example, I am here in this city, and somebody asks me, hey, Chano, where are you from? I can say, I am from here, from Culiacan. Or I can say, oh, I am from here, from Sinaloa. Yeah? And I can say, I am here, from Mexico, because I am here in Culiacan, I am here in Sinaloa, and I am here in Mexico, right? But supposed I am not here in Culiacan, I am in Guadalajara. And somebody in Guadalajara asked me, hey, Chano, where are you from? And I say, oh, I am from Sinaloa. Oh, what part of Sinaloa you are from? And I say, oh, okay, I am from Culiacan, right? So all those could be possible answers. Another question could be, where do you study? Where do you study? Where do you study? What could be the possible answer? I study at Universidad de Sinaloa. I study at Universidad de Sinaloa. That is the university we have here in Sinaloa. One of them. There are more universities in this state. I study at Universidad de Sinaloa. That's the name of the university. Okay, Universidad de Sinaloa. As it is a proper name, I am writing the way it is because it is a proper name. I'm going to explain that in the future. When we arrive to that chapter, I'm going to explain what is proper names, right? Okay. So let's go to the next question word. Why? Why is a question you use to ask for information that somebody gives you a reason. Why? Why are you here? Why? And the answer starts with the word because. Because I am learning English. That's why you are here in this course. Why? Why are you in this course? Why are you in this course? Why? So, the first words in the answer is because I want to learn English. This is the reason you are here in this course, because I want to learn English. And what is the reason for me? Why are you in this course, Chano? Oh, because I am trying to transmit my little knowledge in English to other people, to help them. That's the reason I am here in front of you. You all that are watching this video. So that is the reason for me. The reason for you is because you want to learn English, right? Why are you in this course? Because I want to learn English. Okay? Alright guys, this is all for this class. This was class number 1. If you like the video, if you think it's helpful for you, thumb up guys. That is going to help me that the platform offers this video to other people. So if you like it, thumb up, right? See you guys in the next class. Bye.